In this video, you'll learn how you could add daily assignments in Google Classroom. I'm not sure if this is exactly what you're looking for, but in this format, I organize like week 2, week 3 subjects. You can put the dates or whatever as well. But like week 3 down here, I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When I click in here, I have a video link here. And then I don't know what you're using for your project or your assignment. I just have a Google Docs quick assignment. This is obviously pretend. But so when a student would click on Monday, they would see, watch this video, do this part of the assignment. Tuesday, click here, do this part of the assignment. I don't know if you're using the same form or same doc every day. So and there's a lot of questions, but like you can kind of see how this looks. Like, so there's Monday, there's Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to do Wednesday, but that would all be under the same week. Like I'll just model this real quick, how I did like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm just going to add Thursdays down here. So I just added an assignment. I said create assignment, and I'll just call this Thursday. And then you can write instructions there. But if I just said I wanted them to watch this video that I made, obviously I could paste a link right in there, or I'll just search for a math video just so you kind of see. So if I said this is the video I want them to watch, so I'm adding that, but I'm also then going to add the file or whatever, the part of the assignment, whether it's a Google form, a Google Doc, Google Slides, whatever you're doing there. I'm just going to pretend there's problems on that, and I called it Thursday already, but I'm going to say they could make a copy for each student. But again, I don't know exactly what you're using for your resource, but if I press assign right here, as long as I put a topic down here and I put it under week 3, when I press assign, they'll see it under week 3 once this goes here. But if I clicked on week 3 right here, they could see there's now that's Thursday is going to go on top right now because that's the last one I did. I would obviously move this one down. Again, a little trick I learned is just you could go back up to where it says classwork, reload your page by pressing on your reload, whether you're using, it'll be in a different spot depending on if you're using Safari or Chrome. But when I go to week 3, like Thursday is on top. No, I want Thursday to move down, so I just move this down here. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Or start off with Friday and add and go in reverse. Again, it's up to you. But when I click on these now, it's going to open up the projects Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And if that's kind of what you're looking for, I think what you were kind of looking for is subtopics, but that's about as best we could do. The other way you could do it is on the form itself. You could put just one form together or one assignment and put links on each page, like link to Monday and then do these problems Monday and like do the next page, have a hyper, like I think, again, I don't know exactly, but like if I said watch this video on Monday on a doc, I put the link right here, complete the problems down below here, kind of make it like an integrated project, copy like, or I'm just making like the next page. So if I said, insert a page break, I don't know how you would, I would think the format that I showed you first is probably easier, but if you did something like this, like watch this Tuesday, then complete the rest of these problems. So that's what this is doing, is kind of giving you one complete document or assignment if that's the way you want to grade it. I don't know exactly what you want, but I'm just trying to give you options. Hopefully that kind of made sense. But if you have further questions, email me.